Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how I crochet the granny stitch. It is made using the double crochet stitch, clustering 3 together in the same stitch, creating the lovely petal shape. The pattern is simple and works up quickly. It is suitable for making blankets, scarves, or beanies. You can use any yarn and hook size for this sample swatch. The pattern works with a multiple of 3 stitches and plus 4 stitches for the edges. We begin by chaining 22 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 22. Now we'll start row 1. Chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. We'll make another double crochet. First, you yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. These 2 stitches balance the number of stitches of the row and keep the sides straight. Now we'll start making our first granny cluster. Yarn over, skip these 2 stitches, and place a double crochet in the 3rd chain here. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. We'll do 2 more, both into the same stitch again. That's the second one. And the 3rd. So, this is a granny stitch. A cluster of 3 double crochet work into 1 stitch. Let's do the next cluster. Yarn over, skip 2 chains, and work 3 double crochet stitches into the same chain. We'll repeat the sequence until we reach the end of the row. Here we are at the end of the row with 3 chains left. Skip 2 chains and work 2 double crochet stitches into the last chain. We started the row with 2 double crochet and ended the row with 2 double crochet. Our row 1 is done. We'll start row 2. Chain 3 and turn it over. This chain 3 serves as a double crochet stitch. It's the border stitch for this row. Now we'll make a granny cluster into the first chain space that was created in the previous row. 1 double crochet, 2, and 3. That's the first cluster of this row. We'll repeat making a cluster in each chain space. After you make the last cluster of the row, you see we have 2 stitches left. Skip 1 stitch and then work 1 double crochet into the top of this 3-stitch double crochet. We have completed the second row. We'll start row 3. Chain 3 and turn it over. Work 1 double crochet into this narrow chain space. Yarn over and make a cluster into the next chain space. Repeat making a cluster in each chain space. We'll finish the row with 1 double crochet in the chain space and then 1 double crochet into the top of this 3-stitch double crochet. This will keep the edge straight. Chain 3 and turn it over. For the border, we alternate between the 1 double crochet stitch and the 2 double crochet stitch. Now, row 4 is a repeat of row 2 and row 5 is a repeat of row 3, and so on and so forth. So, keep repeating until it reaches your desired size. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out my other videos. Bye for now.